Hey, that's right. Help, come on, come on. Help me open it. Come on, what are you? A jug or a Rottweiler? You nearly got it. Pull harder. Pull harder. No, not what's in it that you do for that.
Oh, you okay?
Yep. Childproof scissors. Not adult-proof. No, you're not having that. Oh, here's destructions. I've never got destructions with a bag before. That's cool. I didn't actually order this, but that's cool.
You must have put it in as a gift.
Yeah. You're not helping with this one? You maniac. You maniac. Maniac. Hugging the bed.
She's a maniac on the dance floor. She's just the cutest you've ever seen.
Bingo.
She's a cookie bear.
Yep, that is everything. Thank you to my little helper cook.
Love it.